The Lord, my light, my saving flame. Who shall I fear? Who calls my name? Enemies arise, but they fall like rain. Their shadows fade, they can't remain. In the day of trouble, I stand tall. He hides me in His holy hall. One thing I ask, one thing I crave, to dwell with You beyond the grave, to gaze upon Your beauty's fire, forever lifted ever higher. When the wicked come, they stumble low. My heart won't faint, I know, I know.